Hunga Tonga volcanic eruption was so large its shockwave reached space, satellites orbiting Earth. The Hunga Tonga volcanic eruption was so massive that its shockwaves didn't just circle the planet. They reached all the way into space, disturbing satellites orbiting Earth. This astonishing fact was confirmed by new research, highlighting the sheer power of the eruption that shook both the atmosphere and the space beyond it. A study published earlier this month in AGU Advances has shed light on just how far-reaching this event truly was. In January 2022, the underwater eruption of Hunga Tonga-Hunga Haʻapai was so powerful that its shockwaves not only circled the Earth but also reached into space, disturbing satellites in orbit. Recent research revealed that the eruption unleashed energy comparable to a large nuclear explosion, disrupting global atmospheric patterns and sending disturbances into the ionosphere, the layer where satellites and radio communications operate. The eruption produced primary shock waves and also secondary gravity waves. Additional waves created when the main shock waves broke apart while traveling through the atmosphere. These secondary waves carried energy all the way to the edge of space, detected by satellites far above Earth. The volcano blasted gas, steam, and ash over 50 kilometers into the sky, much higher than commercial planes fly, and deep into the stratosphere and mesosphere. The eruption's effects were felt worldwide. Shockwaves were heard thousands of kilometers away, and tsunamis reached Japan, New Zealand, and even the west coasts of the Americas. At first, scientists believed that LAM waves, low-frequency atmospheric waves, were mainly responsible for the disturbances. But further analysis showed secondary gravity waves played the bigger role in pushing energy into space. The eruption also briefly reshaped the local geography, creating a land bridge between two islands, though it was quickly eroded by volcanic activity and ocean forces. For scientists, the Hunga Tonga eruption was a landmark event, showing how a natural disaster on Earth can impact space weather and satellite systems. It highlighted how interconnected our planet truly is, from the ocean floor to the edge of space, and opened new paths for research into Earth's influence beyond the atmosphere.